Hey there, Mr. Phil. How are you? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and just wanted to get this screencast over to you, brother. Sorry it was has been delayed. I found your business information buried in some Facebook comments. Usually get that stuff by Messenger, but I wanted to see what I could do to help here. Interesting business that you have for real estate repairs, but wanted to share with you the top 3 things that will help your website rank in organic search for Google on Google. And the first thing, believe it or not, is content. So let me go home, make sure we're home here. So content is king. Here's your home page, and Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on the home page. With all of this stuff, here you've got about 400 words, between 400 and 500 words total. And then anytime you have an image, so Google actually looks at the image captions and descriptions. So for instance, this JPEG image, I know you can't see it, but above there, this image is saved as GRRDIENT, or short for gradient / decal. So these need to be keywords that all the images are labeled as, and that counts as words towards your count and keywords. So need to add about 1,000 or 1,100 words here to the home page. That would be the first thing. Second thing is backlinks. And then the third, what we'll talk about in a minute, is citations. But if we look at backlinks and also rankings, I did 2 different searches. One was home improvements in Charleston, South Carolina, which is obviously just across the bridge there. And then also I did specifically for your keywords for your business, which is real estate repairs, Charleston, South Carolina. But let's just take a look here on this first one. Realestaterepairs.com, you come up first, then Charleston repairs, closing repairs, and then your Facebook page for real estate repairs, and then Punch List USA. So those will be your top 3 competitors in this space, but probably more relevant would be the home improvement Charleston, which is larger area. And so for that, the top 3 are New Beginnings Construction Inc. We can skip Home Advisor, Brink Home Improvement, and then Guild Quality is the best in Charleston. Then we got Yelp, and then Classic Remodeling. So wanted to take a look at those. That's really your top 3 competition here. And let's go here. So this is for home improvement Charleston. So New Beginnings, this is your #1 competitor in that space. And if you look, they actually have quite a bit of content on their page, and that's one of the reasons they're ranking so well, is all of this content. They've got about 1,100 words, so not 15, but they've got much closer to that 1,500, as you can see. So that's one of the reasons they're ranking so well. Number 2, and you see that drone footage there, that's pretty good. Number 2 is the Brink Home Improvement, and looking at their content, they have quite a bit of content also. They have a lot of images. They're properly tagged, and actually they don't appear like a normal image. So see how much content they have here. So again, they're pushing it. They're almost to 1,500 on this page. Another reason they're in the number 2 position. So wanted to show you that, and then just as importantly, you've got Charleston repairs, closing repairs, and then Classic Remodeling. So these are the other 3 competitors that you have in the real estate repairs space or search word. Okay, and you can see the content that they have here. Okay, so let's talk about, we talked about content, let's talk about backlinks. What I did is I've got a tool here called Ahrefs, and I went ahead and put your website and then your competitors in here, And so just to start off, so you know, this is pretty much the popularity of your website, and you've got actually a good rating here. This is the strength of the website at 2.1. Both of these ratings are 0 to 100. So right now you have 73 backlinks that's ranking you for just 10 organic keywords. So definitely want to bump that up. And by looking at the competition here for, I apologize. So looking at the competition here, you can see that New Beginnings Construction, 33 on their popularity and 14 on the strength of their website. So not real strong there. 929 backlinks that's qualifying for 232 keywords. Okay, look at that one. And then Brink Home Improvement, 39 on the popularity, just 3.8 on the strength. Okay, they have 866 backlinks for only 43 organic keywords. So there's a real opportunity for you to move into the second or third position here with qualifying more organic keywords, because they have a lot of backlinks, not very many keywords at all. And then the other one I thought I'd throw in here is the Charleston Repairs is the #1 competitor under the real estate repairs search. So just 5 on their UR 1.2, very weak domain. So 73 backlinks and only 24 organic keywords. So just about back to what you got going on. Not bad, 22 and 2.1. So I would suggest add 100 backlinks and 100 organic keywords, and the site is going to start to gain more traction with Google, along with doing the adding the content of about 11 or 1200 words. So the third area then is actually citations. So citation is what you have on your footer here: name, address, telephone number, or NAP. This is your citation. So your name, address, telephone number is a citation. And then citations need to be sprinkled across the internet. So that helps to give you strength over time also for the website. So that could be in a blog post, that could be in a directory for remodeling, anything that is a relevant source. So a citation is a minor backlink, but it still has power because it is your name, address, phone number. So I hope that helps, and that you could use some of these things for yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me, and we can talk about some other things on the website. Thanks so much.